Good evening, traders. Today is Wednesday, March 8th. Ladies and gentlemen, we have bottomed. We have marked the conclusion of the February 16th decline. What you're looking at is SPY Futures Daily, the daily chart that I never show. But this time it is worth showing because I'd like to compare and contrast. This is January. This is December heading into January. See that? See the flattening out? See this slight higher low notch? What happened in January? Let's compare that to what just happened today. Uh-oh, higher low notch? And this is even higher than January's? This is even closer to the zero line than January's? There you have it. The daily MACD created the higher low notch. And for your viewing interest, I invite you to go ahead. I don't have it immediately on hand, but I invite you to go ahead and go back and look at the October 13th daily chart. You're going to see the same notch that was created there that stopped that fall. Okay, so what we're looking at is it could just flatten out right here for a little bit, you know, kind of get it. We could have some of this, like this flattened out right there. We could have a little bit chop, 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 and then boop. That's what's going to happen. It's not going to go down. So I think at the very worst, we could just still have some range chopping, chop, 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 and then bam, and then it's going to go up. Okay, that is just the natural progression. Let's check out SPY 4 hour. 4 hours even closer than the daily. Look at that. Look at the 4 hour, how close that is to the zero line, and now it's flattening out. That means it's consolidating too. At the end of January right here, look, that was even lower than it is now. That went even lower than it is now, and we still had that up move to contend with. And as you saw a moment ago, you saw the daily compared to the January, right? We're now like 3 months into it. And now the daily has a higher low notch closer to the zero line than it did in January when we had the up move. And the 4 hour right here that you're looking at for SPY also corroborates what you're seeing. So yeah, that was the bottom. Here's the daily chart right here. Higher low, up we go. That's how you call it. In fact, I called it right when it happened. I'm calling the bottom, scaling more long. I called it at 397.19. 397.19 is when I made that call. That was right here. Right here. Here's 397.20. We'll just take it right over here. Doop. Yep. As soon as I saw this higher low and I saw that, but specifically I saw the higher low notch on the 5-minute MACD. Soon as I saw it come below this green signal line, and then I saw it cross up there, I said, that's it. I'm calling it. That's the bottom. Yep. That's the bottom. But I already had a suspicion from yesterday. Yesterday afternoon, while we were still falling, by the way, when I sent out this tweet tonight, I said, I bet you guys thought, what the hell is he doing? I sold my puts yesterday, guys. I sold puts right here. I just sold my puts. Get out. Because for the rest of the afternoon, all of last night and all of this morning, we were in that range that I sold my puts at. Yeah, go back and check it out. We were so ever since yesterday afternoon, like, oh, what time did I send this? I don't remember. It was late in the afternoon when I was like, it started to flatten out. Okay, so I already had a sense yesterday when I sold my puts. I'm like, we're near the bottom. We're around there. We're somewhere near the bottom already. Okay, I just need to work on fine tuning that a little bit. Don't be quite so early. But I knew we were at the bottom, near the bottom, near the bottom. Okay, but some of you may recall, not only did I sell puts, I turned around and bought calls. Okay, so I actually do believe in what I'm practicing. I'm practicing what I'm preaching. If you believe we bottom, then sell your puts and get some calls. And that's exactly what I did. So I do have the courage of my convictions to say, this is the bottom, guys, or thereabouts. Okay, so I know it's kind of hard to see, but let's have a look. It's kind of blurry. So this was yesterday, right? Yeah, right here. When I sent that tweet out, I'm scaling more long right here, which is equivalent to right here. And guess what happened? For the rest of the afternoon, all of last night, and all of this morning, it was just this sideways. Sideways, literally sideways. I guess I could have actually scalped my calls, like right here at the top. See, when I bought it down here, I could have scalped it this morning right up here. But I was like, nah, I'm going to hold on to it. Okay. Yeah, right here. I could have scalped it from yesterday. So it follows this pattern to a T. 3 down, 2 up. Last week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday down. Thursday, Friday up. This week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday down. Tomorrow and Friday is up. That's how that's going to work. That's how it works with these candles. That's how it works on the 5-minute candles. And that's how you can extrapolate that pattern to daily. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 3 days. Thursday, Friday, 2 days. And I'm also going to share with you some very, very interesting observations that I saw. I tweeted about it, and I'll share that with you momentarily. So, this is just basically the same tweet I've been talking about. Yeah, yesterday when I sold my puts late afternoon, just something just told me we are near the bottom. We just are, because the MACD told me we are. Just a little early. Okay. That's what I'm talking about. 3 down, 2 up. The blue arrow is when the 65-minute candle started. Okay, this is late in the afternoon. Yeah, 2:30. Towards towards the end of the day. That would have been this guy right here. Yeah, this move right here that I tweeted about. Okay, see if you can follow me around the room. The blue arrow is when the hourly, the 65-minute candle started. So you divide 65 minutes, 60 minutes, let's just call 60 minutes, right, into 10-minute intervals. Therefore, the first 30 minutes is one thing, the last 30 minutes is another thing. That candle started here. The first 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. The first 30 minutes was down. The last 30 minutes was crazy up. There's a relationship here that I need to do more investigation on, that I intend to eventually section off a trading day by hours. 10 a.m., 11 a.m., 12, 1, 2, 3. If I can figure out that relationship, because I'm onto something here. the first half hour or the first 40 minutes is down, the last 20 minutes is up in a given hour, in a given hour interval, you can therefore predict the action in that hour. See where I'm coming from now? Yes, yes, yes. So, anyways, more investigation to come. It's just something I've been noticing the last couple of days, just kind of noticing it, and I've been calling it out on Twitter. Also, I'm like, hey, you guys, in like 5 minutes, the 65-minute candle is going to close. Let's see if it actually flushes or something like that. I've tweeted that before. Let's see if the next move down happens now. And boy, I tell you, that timing is uncanny. Uncanny. I've seen it happen now more than a couple of times. As soon as that 65 candle closes, I'm just throwing out a hypothetical. I've seen it happen. As soon as that 65-minute candle closes, boom, flush. Flush down. I was like, you sly dog. There is a relationship here. Just like this move was the first half of the hour, and this was the last half of the hour. 3 down, 2 up. Is it not? See what I made? There you have it. Okay, what do we have here? So, tonight I just brought up on Twitter. Oh, this afternoon, I mean. URA, uranium. I did a previous YouTube episode on that for those of you who are interested in potentially swing trading. But in about 3 to 5 days, we'll just call it a trading week. Ura is going to be bottoming. And I will be swing trading Ura. Hold it for, we'll just call it 3 to 4 weeks out. And, this screenshot's probably kind of blurry. But it's almost at the conclusion of this down move. Ura. Almost. About 3 to 5 more days of a little bit more down, and then I'm going to swing trade it back up for about a month. Okay, I'm going to get calls. And then when that month elapses, I'm going to turn around and short it. Short it back down. So I'm just going to swing trade it all year long. Up and down, up and down, up and down. Okay? So I just wanted to throw that out there because I'm going to be doing it with my 401k. I'm not day trading my 401k. No way. No way. I'll swing trade it. I don't mind swing trade it, but I'm not going to day trade it. Nope. That's too much stress. So, also here, GLD. Potentially GLD is a little bit longer, perhaps. I just said it's about the same as 3 to 5 more days, but that might be 5 to 10 maybe. I think it could be. I think it could be, but I'm going to watch that too. But generally speaking, I'm going to swing trade Ura and GLD together. Swing trade them up, swing trade them down. Okay. So I'll keep my eye on GLD. They're getting there. They're getting close to when it's time. Okay. So just want to throw that out there. Oh yeah, here we go. There is absolutely a correlation between the 65-minute candle close and the 5-minute candle's direction throughout the day. That's what I was talking about earlier. Need to do some more research on this. Well, boy, I think it's something. I just noticed that big moves can happen as soon as that candle closes. It's just it's interesting. It's fascinating. So, and that's basically all I've got for you guys tonight. For today, just I think once again, at the very least, we could be in for some sideways chop. At the very least, sideways chop as it consolidates and gets ready to make the next move higher. Okay, that's basically all I've got. Please feel free to follow me on Twitter, where I give real-time updates and tweets calling the game real time. Don't forget to listen to your favorite music while you are trading. Helps you get into the right state of mind and achieve your Zen. Please give this video a like, share, subscribe, or click to be notified when I release something new. With that, I'm Agent 00 signing off.